In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a chat in Microsoft Teams Essentials. We'll walk through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident and comfortable navigating this essential communication tool. Whether you're a newbie to Teams or just need a refresher, this guide will get you started on one of the most widely used collaboration platforms in the workplace today. To start off, the first thing you need to do is sign into Microsoft Teams. Head over to the Teams application on your computer or visit it online. You'll see the sign in page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one, but assuming you're already set, just enter your login details. It's important to ensure you're signed in with the correct work or school account, especially if you have multiple accounts. This helps in keeping your work chats and messages organized. Once you're in, finding someone to chat with is your next step. In the search bar, usually located at the top of the Teams interface, type in the name of the person you want to message. As you begin typing, Teams will automatically begin suggesting user profiles that match your entry, allowing you to quickly select the right contact. This feature can save you a lot of time, especially in large organizations where there might be several users with similar names. It's worth double checking to make sure you're connecting with the right person, especially if their profile picture isn't immediately visible. Now that you've found your contact, it's time to start composing your message. Click on the chat box, which will open a conversation window, and place your cursor in the message field. Here you can type out whatever you want to say. Whether it's a quick greeting, a question about a project, or a more detailed message, this is where your communication happens. Remember, keeping your messages clear and concise can help make virtual communication as effective as face-to-face interactions. Before you hit send, take a moment to review your message. You might want to check for any typos or clarify any points that might be misunderstood. Once you're ready, simply press the enter key or click the send icon to deliver your message. After sending, you can see the message in the chat window where it will also show when your contact has read it. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to start a conversation in Microsoft Teams Essentials. Whether you're reaching out for the first time or following up on an ongoing project, mastering this process will streamline your communication and enhance collaboration. Keep experimenting with other features Microsoft Teams offers, like emojis, attachments, and even video calling to enrich your messaging experience further. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting in Microsoft Teams.